Hi, this is the Goodlife investor, and today's topic is citizenship without marriage. Yes, you heard that right. A lot of people actually are aware of the normal citizenship by marriage route, but there are some countries and important ones, and I'm going to cover the top countries which actually have a path to citizenship if you are in a civil union or a registered partnership or in a domestic partnership with someone. So let's say you don't have a marriage certificate or you are not married, then you have other means by which you can apply for your citizenship. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jay Suresh, where we discuss the latest changes in programs, the application processes, the different options, use cases, and a lot more. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now so you are informed on any changes to any of the programs as they happen. Let's get started. Before we begin this topic, citizenship through marriage is always a slightly controversial subject. That's why I wanted to start off by saying it's very important to always be genuine, always go for any marriage-based or relationship-based citizenships if your marriage is genuine and long-term. If you try to do anything wrong, this really can backfire and create more problems for you than the benefits. And it's always very important to be in a genuine relationship, especially when you're applying or seeking any of these type of immigration benefits. Now, I'm going to cover 3 countries. These are top countries, and I'm going to cover the longest time needed to citizenship first, and then the fastest country to citizenship. So don't miss any of these sections because they are very important with valuable information. Let's say you're not in this situation, but just from an informational standpoint, it's always good to know what each option is. So now or in future, if you are in similar circumstances, maybe this information can be very useful for you or could be useful for someone that you know. So the first country is the favorite country for a lot of people is Portugal. And in Portugal, if you are in a civil relationship, you can actually apply for citizenship after 3 years. If you have been in this relationship or marriage, you have to satisfy certain requirements in order to qualify, and then you can apply. Now, it's very important to understand that the test that they apply for a marriage-based application is the same as is applied to your relationship. The only difference is that you aren't actually married or you aren't actually in possession of a marriage certificate, but the requirements and the expectations are the same. So this is no different, and therefore the benefit is the same as well. Now, the Portuguese passport has access to 191 countries, which makes it one of the strongest passports. Next on my list is Italy. It's a beautiful country with an access to a lot of young people. It's a great, vibrant place to live. A lot of people would love to retire in Italy. It's a great option for now as well as for future. The time to citizenship in this case is 2 years. Yes, it's 2 years if you're in this a relationship or marriage. And again, the requirements for both are the same and the benefit is the same as well. The Italian passport gives you access to approximately 189, 190 countries, which again makes it one of the strongest documents that you can ever have. The third and final option and the fastest option is Spain. And in this, if you are in this relationship or marriage for a year and satisfy a certain set of requirements, you can actually apply for your citizenship. Eventually, it's up to the immigration authorities to evaluate everything, check the genuineness and the reality of your relationship, and you can then qualify through this route. Spanish passport is the strongest passport of all. It has access to 194 countries. So this document takes you anywhere, almost anywhere on planet Earth. This was an informational video. Hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you are interested in the residency in any of these countries, discuss any use case regarding residencies or citizenships in general, click the link in the description, book a call, and we can discuss your specific use case and even get you started with any of your residency applications. And if you haven't still subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest and greatest in terms of residencies and citizenships and investments and a lot more. And until next time, you take care and goodbye.